We all crave sleep, don't we? That sweet surrender at the end of a long day. But are we getting the right kind of sleep? We often focus on hours, but there's one phase that holds the key to true health: deep sleep. It's not just about shutting your eyes. Deep sleep is your body's ultimate restoration period. It's when your brainwaves slow right down, your muscles relax, and your heartbeat steadies. This isn't just a lull, it's an intensely active phase of repair and rejuvenation, happening every single night. Think of it as your body's nightly tune-up. During deep sleep, your cells regenerate, tissues repair, and muscles grow. It's crucial for regulating hormones, boosting your immune system, and consolidating the energy you'll need for the next day. Miss out on this vital phase, and you're running on empty, literally. Your physical resilience takes a hit. Your ability to fight off illness weakens. It's your body's non-negotiable repair shop. But the benefits don't stop there. Deep sleep is absolutely essential for your brain. This is when your brain essentially takes out the trash, clearing out metabolic waste products that accumulate during waking hours. It's critical for memory consolidation, turning your daily experiences into long-term memories. Learning new skills? Solving complex problems? You need deep sleep for that. It sharpens your focus, improves decision-making, and enhances your emotional stability. Without it, mental fog becomes your constant companion. So, what happens when you consistently miss out? The consequences are far-reaching. Chronic fatigue, weakened immunity, poor concentration, and mood swings are just the beginning. Long-term, inadequate deep sleep is linked to serious health issues, increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It's a silent threat undermining your quality of life. The good news? You can prioritize it. Create a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, dark, cool, and quiet. Limit screen time before bed. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals late in the day. Regular exercise helps, but not too close to bedtime. These aren't just suggestions, they're investments in your long-term health. Deep sleep isn't a luxury, it's a fundamental pillar of a healthy, vibrant life. It's where true healing happens, where your mind clears, and your body gets ready to tackle another day. Don't just sleep more, sleep deeper. Your health, your mind, and your future depend on it. Make it a priority, and unlock the incredible power of deep sleep.